Hey everyone, welcome to Hankster's Hot Rods and Muscle Cars in Homer City, PA. My name's Billy. I want to show you the newest addition to our inventory. This is a 1983 Oldsmobile Cutlass. It's a special edition car. It's the 15th anniversary Hurst Olds. So as we can tell, the car's finished off in a shiny black paint. Paint looks good. You can see some of the striping on the car. This is correct for this special edition. So we have red striping down the sides, up around the wheel arches, all the way down the side of the car. Of course, we know this is a special edition because we can see that on the door here, the Hurst Olds 15th anniversary of the original car back in the 70s. You can see that we have 15-inch steel rally wheels on the car. Those are in good shape. Red pinstriping around just kind of ties in with the red color scheme on the stripes. New set of tires, they're 235, 60, 15s all the way around. Just replaced those. You can see that the bottom of our car kind of finishes off that two-tone paint scheme with gray down at the bottom. That'll continue all the way around, the front and the rear and both sides. You can kind of take a look at some of our trim here on our driver's side. It's nice and glossy, free from defects. There aren't any dings. No pits in the trim. It's in very nice shape. Our window scraper molding here also. Pliable rubber, it looks good. It's going to keep the water out of your doors. Body color painted side view mirrors on the Cutlass. We can see a little cue to the limited edition here on the door handle. So we have a limited edition script here. You want to make sure that they let you know what the car is. Take a look inside. You can see the burgundy seat upholstery, burgundy dash, burgundy carpet, all in very good condition. A luxurious look inside this Oldsmobile. A factory style steering wheel, all the factory gauges behind. Have an original radio in this car, original heater controls. We can see another badge there in the center between the vents. Some wood grain accents in here, kind of adds to the luxury aspect of the Oldsmobile. Oldsmobile was always kind of an upscale model for GM. So you see things like lots of bright work, lots of wood grain. Shifter here is a lightning rod style shifter, kind of a unique look. It's an automatic transmission, a 204R. And we can kind of see the luxury on our door panels. We have a padded armrest, some wood grain, a pull handle here. Down low we see a remote for our driver's side mirror. Door closes well, nice and secure. Check our door gap and we can see that it's consistent. Quarter window on the car, we look at the trim, look for any damage and we don't see any. Light tint on the quarter windows, also light tint on the rear window as well. You can see that our pinstriping and our striping around our wheel well continue on the back side of the car. Look at our rubber and our trim around our rear window. It's all in good condition. It's attached well to the car, not loose at all. Pretty big trunk on the Oldsmobile. We look at our gaps. We always want to check and make sure that the trunk is aligned properly. It is. It's consistent front to back and side to side. Small rear spoiler on the back of this car. Kind of gives it a sporty appearance. We can see our taillights. Those are original in nice condition on both sides. Another Hurst Olds 15th anniversary sticker on the back. And you can see down here on our metal bumper we have the painted silver to kind of continue around the whole bottom side of the car. That's in good shape. Little overriders here to protect. Those also look good. You can take a look inside the trunk. So under here, we're highly original. We can see we have some factory stickers on the bottom side of the trunk lid. Nice glossy paint under here too. It looks really good. Our seal, it's pliable. It's going to keep water out for sure. Factory carpeting in the trunk. You can see we have a set of 4 matching floor mats. Those match the interior color. A little bit of documentation included with the Cutlass. We also have some original style mud flaps. Comes with a space saver, spare tire. Trunk closes very easily, nice and tight. Continue down the passenger side. Everything stays consistent over here, the matching striping all the way around. You can see our exhaust here, exiting both sides, dual exhaust. We can look at our trim and our wheels on this side as well. Very nice condition. The red pinstriping is consistent. Oldsmobile center caps here. And of course our new Cobra, our Cobra Radial tires that we spoke about earlier. Same story here on the passenger side. Our quarter window trim looks good. It fits well. Factory glass. Trim on the passenger side also looks nice. It's nice wide molding here. Kind of sets it off. Painted passenger side view mirror to match. Of course, our limited edition script door handle also on this side of the car. We can look and see that our stripes line up very well down the side of the car. That means all the panels are aligned properly. It really does look nice. Take a look in the passenger side. Take a look at our dashboard. It's in nice shape. Our badging, our wood grain looks good. Center console with storage is in good condition. Shoulder belts in the front, lap belts in the rear. Doors are large on this Cutlass, so you want to make sure that they close really well. They're heavy doors, they line up really well. Closes nice and tight. You can see here we have our antenna for our radio mounted to the fender. Attached just like it should be. Look at our front windshield. You know, we're looking for any damage there, any chips, so we don't see any on this car. It looks quite nice. Check our trim, make sure nothing's loose, everything fits well. Really nice and tight how it fits against the paint. Wipers and wiper arms, good. On this version of the Cutlass, we can see we have a hood scoop for styling purposes. Black paint looks nice and glossy on the hood. Check our gaps here as always. Consistency all the way around. Another badge on the front shows us that we're talking about a special edition car here, 15th anniversary. Sporty look on the front. We have black surrounds on our headlights. They're glass headlights. A two-tone black and silver grille really gives this Cutlass kind of a menacing look. Our red striping continues all the way around the car. You see that consistent all the way around. Our metal bumper under here also painted silver to match the sides. It looks really good. Turn signal light lenses. Those are nice. No chips in those. So we can go to open up the hood and kind of take a look underneath. As you can see, the hood release is functioning properly. All right, so what we have here is a 307 cubic inch V8 engine. This is the original engine to the car. It's the numbers matching engine. You can see that it's highly original air cleaner cover, original cast manifold on the car. One thing you might be able to notice is there is upgraded exhaust here. We have long tube headers on this Cutlass. Factory air conditioning here. So we can see all of our components are here, just like it left the factory. We have an original steel radiator in the car, our original plastic fan shroud with information sticker. It's got a clutch fan for cooling, 5-blade clutch fan. We can look at how neat and tidy all the wiring is and all the hoses. Front power disc brakes on the Cutlass, so you can see that master cylinder and brake booster there. The rear brakes are drum brakes. Battery cutoff switch keeps your battery safe if your car's in storage. So that'll do it for the walk around of our Cutlass. Wanted to mention that we are always looking to purchase classic cars or collectible cars. So if you have one, visit our website, click the Sell Us Your Classic tab. You can submit information and photos for us to look at, and we'll be back in touch. This Cutlass, along with any other car on our website, comes with the money-back guarantee. It comes with free shipping to the lower 48 states. It'll come in an enclosed shipment, so it's protected. It won't receive any damage on the way. Also comes with a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty. You can check our website for many more photos of the Cutlass. We're going to take it back in the back right now, put it on the lift, and show you underneath the car. Okay, we're back here under our 1983 Olds Cutlass. This is the 15th anniversary Hurst edition. Take a look at the underside. Deflector here, plastic, it keeps debris off your engine. It's in good shape. You can see it's nice and straight, no damage, no cracks in it. Factory cooling system here. We have our original style radiator. Plastic fan shroud looks good on the car. It's in good shape as well. Our clutch fan for cooling here, no damage. Pretty big sway bar on the front of this car. It's 1.25 inches diameter. You can see that the rubber bushings, those are good. Not cracked and old, they're in good shape. Power steering, we can see all of our linkage here on the car. Everything looks nice. Our greasable fittings, all serviced. Tie rod ends look good. Power steering box here. Car steers nice and tight. You can see there's no leaks from that system at all. Everything looks nice there. Underside of the car is kind of coated with a light undercoating, so you know you're free from corrosion and rust damage. Be protected there. Tow hook, in case the car needs towed for any reason. See factory stamped steel on our lower control arms. Our shocks here, coil springs, those bushings are nice. You can see that the car has front disc brakes, power assisted of course. You can see the inside of our steel wheels, really nice and clean. In good condition, a brand new set of tires. Cobra radials, just replaced on the Cutlass. Make our way back a little bit, we can see our oil pan here, and we check our drain plug for leaks and we don't see any. It looks good. Car has long tube headers on it. These are 1.75 inch diameter here, connecting to a 2.25 inch full dual exhaust system. Go a little further back, we want to check our transmission. This is a 200 R4 automatic. Pan looks good. Check around the pan gasket, and we don't see any leaks. That's nice and dry there. Start to get a look at our front floor pans. These have that light coating of undercoating on them. All the factory markings are there. All the stampings, those are all in good condition. You can kind of see the frame of our vehicle here. Looks nice, there's no damage. Come to the back side of our transmission and kind of check that output shaft seal for leaks. Kind of feel around there, we don't see anything, we don't feel anything, it's nice and dry there. Cross member securely attached to the frame here with a nice rubber mount. Dampens vibrations, so that's correct and functioning as it should. All right, let's take a look at the rear of the Cutlass. You can see our drive shaft coming back into our rear end. 10-bolt POSI traction rear end, 373 gear ratio here in this Cutlass. You can see that our dual exhaust goes into two mufflers there. and then 2 pipes out the back side of the vehicle. You can kind of take a look at some of our rear suspension. 3/4 inch rear sway bar here for better handling. We have our coil springs, factory shock absorbers, rear drum brakes on the Cutlass. You can see that our e-brake is hooked up to the rear brakes in this vehicle. If we look up here above our rear end, we can see nice and clean on the original sheet metal under there, all the factory ribbing there. Take a look at our fuel lines. We see those running here. Heat protection here to keep the heat off of fuel lines. Safety feature there. Exhaust hangers are originally in good condition. You can see our undercoating and our spare tire well here. Free from corrosion. Factory fuel tank. Tank looks good. There's no damage, no dents in it. It's secured to the rear of the vehicle with the straps. Those are in good shape, just keeping the fuel tank nice and tight and where it should be. We can kind of finish off the rear, and we can take a look at our fuel filler here. That's in good condition. The back side of our rear urethane bumper looks nice. It's no damage and no cracks, of course. And then to finish off the back of the Cutlass, we can kind of get a little glimpse of the rear bumper here, the lower panel as well. So I'm going to put the car down. I'm going to start up the engine. This is a 307 cubic inch V8 engine. We're going to start that up for you and let you hear how it sounds.